This is what Steve Lav calls a G.I. Joe job. What's that clearance? Woo! Freaking tight under here, man. Holy crap. Just wanted to get at you guys. Sunday morning, G.I. Joe. Aloha. Okay, guys. Stay SEAL Team 6 in it. Underneath this freaking house. And we get nice old pitted ass copper we gotta tie into. It doesn't really want to focus for me. But you get the picture, it's pitted. And if you just sand that, it ain't gonna do nothing to this freaking pipe. See that? Nothing. So what I do is take the brushes, cut it off, go to town on it. You see all that dust coming off there? If you don't cover your face and you breathe that stuff in, you're guaranteed to get Alzheimer's and your mouth is going to taste like crap all day. So I get my shirt over my face. There we go. Good to go.